everyone, it is Couponing with D, and as you can see, I am back inside of CVS. I'm going to do the spend 30 on a second card. My first item that I picked up was this Downy right here, $6.99. It is part of the spend 30, and you get one limit to do the deal. My next item that I picked up was one of these Downy Unstoppables here for $12.99. And my last item that I picked up was this Tide here for $12.99. Now, all three items come up to 32 and change. I have a 6 off of 30. I have a $3 off this one. And then I have a $2 off that one. And then I have a $1 on that one. So, gone to the register already and made my purchase. And here is my receipt. I put everything on a gift card. Got back 10 extra bucks,